had an earthquake about 10 minutes ago. The power went out. Well, I guess it was actually because the power went out. It was really about 25 minutes ago. But I'm in the area of San Jose del Monte in the Philippines, and I'm looking now where it says there was a magnitude 6 in Luzon. That had to have been it. Oh no, the time. Well, what time is it? Yeah, this has to be it. Has to be it. I want to take a quick peek here. Dangerous quake in Luzon, April 22nd, 6 minutes ago. So this must be it. But I thought I would just mention it to make a record of it, so that it's on a video. And we lost the power here, but it came right back. It was out about 10 minutes or so. But I see here the light shake. Well, it's actually, I couldn't believe it because the table was on spindly legs, but the table wobbled like everything. And it wobbled and everything went out. The power went out. Anyway, I've got a record of it, and I've got it on here, and the time and everything. The time right now is 5:54. 5:41, and it's April 22 in the Philippines, and everything seemed fine. Now the power's back on, but it was a attention getter.